Brew the second, sir. Hit your clock, sir. I ain't gonna keep reminding you.
You don't have to remind me. I'm on it. I'm gonna get mine.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Peter.
Oh man, I take that. You tried me, didn't you? See, that's how you been getting away in the past.
That's how I've been getting away.
Them little tries you be on. Them little tries, I ain't hitting on nothing. You can't bust me up with that.
Doing good. That's right. No castling for you, sir.
Because that keeps my defense over here.
I just want you to get out of there.
It keeps my defense over here, though.
I know. Whatever
So
you
let's
say.
see where you
Whatever
going
you
to.
say, got to be funky. What Jesse say? Whatever you say, got to be funky.
No question. You want to take that. You're going to be trapped in there. You go get him.
Let me see. You can't do much, but try that. Let me see. That's not good. That's okay. Go there. I go there. Oh my goodness. This is just too good to be true here. First things first. Let us set right here. There you go. Yeah, what you doing that for, sir? I don't understand it. Don't understand that. That's wild and crazy right there. I guess I just castle the safety. Another thing for you to do to me, sir. After all we've been through, you know, me and you. Beautiful.
Hell.
Huh?
I said hell.
Huh? You say what?
I said how.
Huh? I don't get it, sir.
I say yeah, I know it. It just increases my what's it now.
Damn, you're still playing, sir. That's what pisses me off the most is because the game's over. Now I gotta sit here and suffer through all these rookie moves because you gonna keep on playing. See what I mean? Why do that? That's like that's suffering, sir.
Well, yeah, I don't see. That's what I keep saying. I'm not suffering.
Juice, he's quiet on the set. Hit your clock, man. I ain't gonna keep reminding you.
You know, when you under pressure, boy, you know what I'm saying.
I'm gonna keep reminding you to hit the clock, sir.
Well, I'm on you.
No, you're not.
I said, no, you're not. Damn. That's crazy right there. So.
Ain't it though? And you still playing. That's what's crazy.
What? Sometimes you get the sacrifice to get out of that hole.
What?
What you mean what?
Unbelievable. Give me that. You still trying to figure out a way to keep playing? You still trying to figure out a way to keep playing, right?
Dusted and disgusted.